Welcome to an exciting journey into the realm of predictive maintenance solutions, where tiny yet powerful devices, sensors, are the real game changers. I'm Ryan Chan, your guide for today. We will be shedding light on how these sensors are revolutionizing industries by helping businesses monitor their critical assets, minimize downtime, and reduce costs. Plus, we will be taking a closer look at the most important sensor applications across different industries. So, if you are looking to optimize your operations, stay tuned. Let's dive right in. First up, manufacturing. Whether you're running a few or hundreds of production lines, keeping your equipment operating optimally is critical to maximizing production and reducing downtime. Here are some sensors that are crucial in this industry. 1. Vibration sensors. These monitor the condition of rotating machinery like motors, pumps, and fans, indicating when repair or replacement may be needed. 2. Temperature sensors. These alert you when equipment exceeds a certain range, signaling potential failures of motors or electrical systems. 3. Pressure sensors. These help you track hydraulic and pneumatic systems, potentially detecting leaks or damaged components. 4. Current sensors. These measure the electrical current flowing through motors or other assets and can identify deviations that may indicate faults. With these sensors, alerts can be sent as soon as unusual activity occurs, allowing immediate scheduling of needed maintenance. This is far more efficient than relying on periodic inspections that may or may not catch potential problems before major repairs are needed. Next, let's look at the food and beverage industry. Here, predictive maintenance sensors can be invaluable. Even brief deviations in measures such as temperature and humidity can degrade the quality or completely destroy products. Here are the key sensors for this industry. 1. Temperature and humidity sensors. These monitor refrigerators, freezers, food storage areas, and processing equipment to ensure proper temperature and humidity levels, preventing spoilage and maintaining food quality. 2. Flow sensors. These measure the rates of liquids or gases in pipelines, often key components in food production. They can detect blockages, leaks, or inefficient processes. 3. pH sensors. These monitor the acidity or alkalinity of liquids during food and beverage production, ensuring consistency and quality of final products. According to Forbes, using predictive technologies like Internet of Things, sensors not only impacts individual food and beverage manufacturers, but also reduces global food waste and the industry's overall carbon footprint. Moving on to property management. When you're responsible for tracking all those myriad details required to keep a residential property, commercial building, or industrial facility running smoothly, IoT sensors can be a tremendous asset. Here are some key sensors for this sector. 1. HVAC-related sensors. These monitor temperature, humidity, and air quality in buildings, helping to optimize energy usage and detect potential issues with heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. 2. Water sensors. These detect leaks in areas prone to plumbing failures or flooding, alerting your maintenance team as soon as a leak occurs. This can prevent costly water damage and long-term mold problems. 3. Occupancy sensors. These track individual room occupancy and usage patterns, helping you optimize lighting, heating, and cooling energy resources efficiently. 4. Motion detector sensors. These are often used to increase security throughout buildings, activating when people occupy a specific area. These sensors can serve as an automated virtual team, keeping watch of your most critical equipment around the clock. Let's not forget fleet management. Taking care of a fleet of cars, trucks, or even warehouse vehicles can be a significant responsibility. Sensors can help a fleet maintenance team prioritize those vehicles that need immediate attention. They can also protect valuable cargo and boost driver safety. Here are some key sensors for fleet management. 1. Temperature sensors. These are particularly valuable if fleets are carrying sensitive cargo like food, beverages, or pharmaceuticals. Drivers can be alerted immediately if cargo temperatures fall out of range. 2. Tire pressure sensors. These can prevent blowouts and extend tire lifespan. When tires are kept at the ideal pressure, drivers can also reduce their fuel consumption. 3. Engine oil analysis sensors. These analyze the quality and condition of engine oil to identify signs of wear, contamination, or insufficient lubrication. 4. GPS trackers. These provide real-time location data for vehicles, enabling efficient route planning, monitoring driver behavior, and optimizing fleet utilization. Finally, let's touch on healthcare. Sensors have played a major role in healthcare for years, as they can alert doctors and nurses of potential life-threatening patient situations. However, sensors can also help manage hospital HVAC and air quality, storage of pharmaceuticals, and building integrity. Here are some key sensors for the healthcare industry. 1. Medical equipment sensors. These monitor patient vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, providing early warnings for potential complications. 2. Temperature and humidity sensors. These ensure proper storage conditions for medications, vaccines, and perishable medical supplies, preventing spoilage and increasing safety. 3. Water sensors. These can detect leaks within a hospital's plumbing and water system, alerting maintenance of emergency repairs before major damage or mold growth occurs. Sensor technology will continue to evolve, providing more businesses with the technology they need to track their most critical assets. Many of these sensor solutions can be extremely useful. Be sure to select those that can generate the greatest return on investment for your particular industry. UpKeep Edge offers battery-powered wireless sensors that work right out of the box, sending critical data to your maintenance team within minutes. Thank you for joining us on this journey into predictive maintenance solutions. We've covered how sensors are revolutionizing industries by monitoring critical assets, minimizing downtime, and reducing costs. Remember, the right sensor can generate a great return on investment for your industry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help optimize your operations, visit upkeep.com. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed.